Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will address the E23 temperature connector issue commonly found in the Thermomix TM31. This problem can disrupt your cooking experience, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can diagnose and potentially fix it yourself. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing electrical connections, isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Now, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged before starting any repairs. Safety is paramount. Step 1. Remove the base. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the base of your Thermomix. Keep these screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Step 2. Access the interior. Once the base is off, gently lift the lid of the device. You should now see the internal components. Look for the temperature connector. This is often located near the heating element. Step 3. Inspect the connection. Check the temperature connector for any loose wires or corrosion. A multimeter can be used to test the connectivity. If you are unsure how to use a multimeter, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you understand any issues clearly. Step 4. Clean the connector. If you notice any dirt or corrosion, use isopropyl alcohol and the microfiber cloth to clean the area. This can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. Ensure everything is dry before reassembling. Step 5. Reassemble the Thermomix. Carefully put the lid back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or further issues. If at any point you feel uncomfortable or unsure about the process, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. Our technicians can handle the diagnosis and repair for you. Step 6. Test your Thermomix. Plug your device back in and test it to see if the E23 error has been resolved. If the error persists, it may be necessary to replace the temperature connector. Before proceeding with repairs, make sure to request a quote before repair to avoid unexpected costs. In conclusion, understanding the E23 temperature connector issue is crucial for maintaining your Thermomix TM31. By following these steps, you can potentially resolve the issue yourself or opt for our convenient services. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your fingertips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.